So today, I'm putting Domo AI to the test. Domo AI is a video generation platform that brings together a whole collection of AI-powered features and mini AI apps, all under one roof. And what makes it genuinely interesting is that it supports a wide range of image and video generation models, so you're not locked into just one style or one workflow. I've dropped the link to Domo AI in the description below. If you want to follow along and test it yourself, you can sign up and try it completely free. When you first land on the dashboard, the homepage gives you a really clear overview of all the tools available, along with different use case scenarios for each one. Over on the left side, you'll see the main AI tool categories: AI video, AI image, and quick apps. We'll start by creating our image inside Domo AI. Head over to AI image, then go to image editing. Inside Domo AI, you get access to two of the most capable image models available right now, Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2.0. Let's go ahead and select GPT Image 2.0. I'll type a short prompt here to get things started. But before I hit generate, there's one thing I want to show you first. Just click here and turn on relax mode. When you switch to relax mode, it won't consume any of your credits at all. The trade-off is that generation can take a little longer due to queue times, so it's not the best choice if you're working against a deadline. But if speed isn't your priority and you just want to generate freely without burning through your credits, relax mode is honestly a really smart way to work. Alright, relax mode is on. Let's go ahead and generate the image. Our storyboard image is ready. Now, before we move on, just save it to your assets folder. That way it stays organized and you can pull it back up whenever you need it. Now click on Image to Video and you'll land directly inside the Image to Video tool. The first thing you want to do is select seedance 2.0 as your video model. Then upload the image we just saved, type in your video prompt, select your video duration, and hit generate. Just look at that! The video quality coming out of this is really impressive. seedance 2.0 is working beautifully inside Domo AI. Now let's test text-to-speech and talking head. The platform supports over 600 languages. You can upload your own audio source directly into the platform or even record your voice. Domo AI also offers a voice cloning feature. Here's how simple the process is. First, type in your voice name. Then upload a sample of your recorded voice for the clone. And that's it. My voice has been cloned. Now I simply copy and paste the script here. Then I select my clone voice from the library and hit Generate Voice. Within a second, my voice will be generated. After that, just save the voice in the asset library. Now let's generate a talking head video from this voice. I go to the talking avatar. Then I upload my avatar image and add the voiceover from the assets library, which I just saved earlier. Then select the video duration and hit Generate. Okay, the video is ready. Let me play it. Domo AI is a video generation platform that brings together a whole collection of AI-powered features and mini AI apps, all under one roof. Honestly, the quality here is decent. It's not perfect yet. The eyes are blinking a little too quickly, and the head movement feels slightly over-animated in places. But I genuinely love to know what you think. Drop your honest opinion in the comments below. Now let's try the video-to-video feature, and this one is a lot of fun. This feature lets you take any existing video clip and completely restyle it in a different visual aesthetic. I'm going to upload a video clip, and you'll see there are quite a few style options available: anime, sketch anime, 3D cartoon, and several more. I'll pick one, set the duration, and hit generate. And there it is. The original footage has been transformed into a flat cartoon style, and the overall quality is really impressive. Next, let's try the character-to-video feature. Here's how it works. I'm going to upload a video clip as the motion reference. Then I'll upload a separate image. I'll type a short prompt, copy the exact style and steps of the video, and hit generate. Take a look at how naturally the image picks up the movement from the original footage. The motion feels organic, and the character moves in a way that genuinely mirrors the reference. Here's another example I generated. The consistency across both outputs is really solid. I have shown you some of Domo AI features, and you can test the others as well. I hope you liked them. If you want to try Domo AI yourself, the link is in the description. It's free to get started, so go check it out. I'll see you in the next one.